I hope you're all doing great. Today I am going to show you how to make your own moisturizing face cream for oily skin. I had already done one for normal skin, so if you want to have a look at that one, I'm going to leave the link on the description box. But today we're going to concentrate on the oily skin one. Let's go and see what we're going to need and how we're going to make it. We are going to need half a cup of coconut oil, 5 drops of tea tree oil, 5 drops of lavender oil, and a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Stir it for a little while, and after it's set, we're going to hand mix it for about 1 minute until you get this consistency. Once it's ready, you can put it in a clean cream container and it's ready to use. If you have normal oily skin, you can apply it just after cleaning your face. But if you have a very oily skin, I would advise you to first exfoliate your skin and then you can apply the face cream. This cream will help you remove the oils from your face easily. It will clear and disinfect the pores and it will reduce acne. It will also restore the natural balance of oils on your skin. It will increase the collagen and elastin production, which is great for healing acne. At the end, it will leave your skin deeply moistured and it will slow down the aging process. It's so easy to make and it has lots of benefits. Thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you liked it and that you have a go at making it. Believe me, you will not regret and your skin will look a lot healthier and hydrated. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Share it on your social media. Follow me on mine. Click on the little bell down below so you can receive notifications every time there is a new video. Click on that picture there to subscribe immediately to the channel and watch these other 2 videos with face treatments that I am sure you're going to love. I'll see you next Monday with another English video. Bye!